हाँ, बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ली अला मुहम्मद व आले मुहम्मद वाजिल फरज आले मुहम्मद। Today we are studying benzene rearrangement. Rearrangement in which aromatic dihydroso compound. Dihydroso compound, azo compound is when two nitrogens are attached by the double bond and then is the benzene ring. This is called the diazo aromatic compound. Diazo. When a double bond breaks and two hydrogens are attached with the nitrogen, this is called a hydroazo aromatic compound. So rearrangement in which aromatic when he attached with the benzene ring, aromatic hydroazo compound on this A will be not written because when two vowels are together, this is the rule, one is replaced. So it is written as hydroazo compound. A will be announced but not written. Rearrangement in which aromatic hydroazo compound on treatment with the acid give, जब इसको आप एसिड के साथ ट्रीट करते हैं, this give diamino diphenyl or biphenyl. We can write when two phenyls are attached, we use bi, letter bi is written. Diamino biphenyl, two amines are attached like this. This is diamino biphenyl. Diamino may be 4,4 like this carbon is 1 when phenyl groups are attached on the 4 NH2 group and NH2 group. So these may be 4,4 diamino, maybe 2,4 diamino, maybe 2,2 diamino. This is 4,4 diamino, this is 2,2 diamino, and this compound is one is on 2 position, one is on 4, 2,4 diamino. Rearrangement in which aromatic hydroazo compound on treatment with the acid give either diamino biphenyl, which may be 2,2 diamino biphenyl, 2,4 diamino biphenyl, 4,4 diamino biphenyl. These are called in the literature, there are special names are given. 2,2 is called ardobenzidine, 2,4 diamino biphenyl is called biphenylene, and 4,4 diamino biphenyl is called benzidine respectively. Are amino biphenyls, when two benzene rings are attached through the NH, it is called a amino biphenyl, and this is called or amino biphenyl amine. This is called the biphenyl amine. When two benzene rings are attached, this is called the biphenyl amine. Biphenyl amine is when two benzene rings, this is the biphenyl amine. This ring, when we have circled, it is called biphenyl amine. Biphenyl amine. Amino biphenyl amine. Amino maybe 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 amino biphenyl amine. Maybe 2 amino biphenyl amine. This is the 4 amino biphenyl amine, or it may be 2 amino biphenyl amine. This is a 2 amino biphenyl amine. In literature, 2 amino biphenyl amine is called ardosamidine and 4 amino diphenyl is called parasamidine. This rearrangement is called benzidine rearrangement. Rearrangement in which aromatic dihydroso compound on treatment with the acid give either diamino biphenyl or amino biphenyl amine. This is called a benzidine rearrangement. Like this is the mechanism of this arrangement. A rearrangement can occur on the, this is the, basically it is the electrophilic rearrangement. Rearrangement can occur on the para position, can also occur on the ortho position, can also on ortho of one and para of other position. So these are different chances. Like this substitution attack is on the ortho position, a para position. This is the para electrophilic attack, para rearrangement. When para electrophilic rearrangement occurs, then it will give the 4,4-diamino biphenyl. This is called the benzidine. Like first of all, when acid is added, protonation occurs of the hydroxy groups. Like this will become NH2 and NH2. This is the benzene ring. Now rearrangement occurs. This electron between two nitrogens is arranged. This nitrogen is electron deficient. It electron withdraws the electron from the benzene ring. These electrons shift on this. So para position will become electron deficient. This para position attack on the other benzene ring, on the para position of other benzene ring, and will be attached. And these electrons will shift within the ring, and this nitrogen will withdraw the electron from this nitrogen. So this is the NH2 double bond, and this will become also NH2 double bond, and these two rings are attached on the para position. Now loss of proton occurs. This proton is shifted within the ring, or this proton electron between carbon and proton is shifted within the ring. Ring is regenerated and two protons are lost. This will give the 4,4-diamino biphenyl. This is called the benzidine. Now when both para positions of aromatic hydroazo compound are occupied, then attack will occur on the ortho position. Like this, para position is occupied, so then it will not attack. This is the para position is occupied, so then rearrangement will occur on the ortho position of one group. This is the ortho position as para position is. So ortho position rearrangement occurs so that on the ortho position NH group is attached. Like this. This is the aromatic para substituted aromatic dihydroso compound. Protonation occurs like this step. Then rearrangement occurs. Para position of one like this attacks on the para of the other group. These two phenols are attached through the para position. This is the NH2 positive and NH2 positive like this. Now rearrangement occurs, which is something different from first one. This NH, this H withdraws electrons and is lost as the H plus. This nitrogen withdraw electron from the carbon and will become the negatively charged. Now these electrons are shifted within the ring, and this carbon will become electron deficient, and it will act as the electrophile. This electrophile will be attacked by nucleophile. This is nucleophilic rearrangement. N acts as the nucleophile, attacks on the ortho position of phenyl group, phenylamine. Now NH is electrophile, it attacks on this position, and this compound is, now proton is lost in the next step. This proton is shifted within the ring, ring is regenerated. This will give the 2-amino diphenylamine. 2-amino biphenylamine is also called orthosamidine. May attack occur on the ortho position of both groups. Both phenyl groups attach on the ortho position. Like this, protonation occurs, then protons are shifted so that ortho position of one benzene ring attacks on the ortho of the other. Ortho or two positions are attached. This is the 2 position, and this is also 2 position. Now protons are lost. This electron will shift towards the NH2. 2H plus are lost. This proton is shifted and proton will be withdrawn in the electron. Benzene rings are regenerated, plus 2H plus. This is 2H plus. This is 2,2-diamino phenols. It is called ortho benzidine. Now maybe attack on ortho position of one and para position of other. Like this, first protonation will occur, then this ortho position is attacked by the para position of other phenyl. This will attached, and then proton will lost, and two rings are joined on 2 position and 4 position. This will give 2,4-diamino biphenyl. It is called biphenylene. It is called diphenylene. So different products are obtained. This is called a benzidine rearrangement. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad wa ajil faraj ala Muhammad.